Hi, this is how you make, I'm going to show you how to make the enchiladas like before you assemble. So these are enchiladas that I've been assembling this morning. So they're enchiladas, they're going to be cheese enchiladas, and I have chicken enchiladas. But I wanted to show you how to do the enchiladas like in a casserole when you're doing a small group of people, or if you have a dinner party, okay, or any kind of party. I have some tortillas that you don't need to heat them up, and make sure you have a pan. As you see, I've already been assembling, and then I have some oil heating up in this pan. And what I do is I just go ahead and put them in like this, okay, and then just kind of go. And then put them on top of each other. This is the easiest way. Drain them. I use these tongs because they don't pinch, they don't break the tortilla when you're frying them. I'll do a couple more so you can see I do that. Okay. Just use this shaky hand, and hopefully it doesn't shake too much. Oops. Can't go wrong with these. Okay. It's kind of, they're really easy. This is how you do it. And the reason why you want to, unless you don't want to fry them, you can heat them up. But they're so flavorful. And it's like having an enchilada without having all the really big mess. And there's other organic, authentic ways of making enchiladas, which I'll probably show you. But for right now, I wanted to show you this, so that, I mean, it's easy. It's you can use this for any kind of catering. And as you see here, I've been assembling them. It's a little messy. My little station is messy, but that's okay. And some cheese and some green onions with oregano, or you could use white onions. I like using the green onions. And then, of course, I have my meat, and then I'm going to be draining it to do the cheese. Unless they specifically do not want meat in the enchilada sauce. So, if you're going to get canned enchilada sauce, doctor it up, add some more flavoring. You know, I would doctor it up a lot, and then, or you can make your own, which I have some video clips that you can see. Alrighty, I'm going to have my cup of coffee. I'm going to continue doing these enchiladas, and then I'll show you some other neat little delicious tricks that you could that you could have, and you can make anytime. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.